I really enjoyed the workshop and especially the applied application process. Feel like I stand before you today as a survivor of postpartum depression.
And got amazing feedback just with my hook. You believed in the product. It was really great at one point in time, and then eventually the product scaled and got into Walmart and CVS, and then you stopped using the product because.
And I really enjoyed it because he gives fabulous information.
Once again, for about the price of a cup of coffee a day, we can get you access to attorneys all over the nation.
Well, at Open World, we create that experience for you all through the mobile app.
We do conflict resolution and management.
I enjoyed myself tremendously. It allowed me to express who I am in the business.
A community of business owners that are prepared to make their first million and break.
Your message has to be so clear that even a first, second, and third grader can understand on stage. They understand, but they understand.